Hello everyone, this is episode 10.5. This is another advanced project video. So if you are a beginner, just skip this one. If you are a beginner, you should watch videos 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the integer videos basically, and the videos where the episode is an integer. And if you just want results, you don't want to learn anything, if you just want to make something cool, flex on your friends, then you follow these the videos with the decimal episodes, okay, decimal episode numbers. So in the episode 9.5 we made a two term parser, maths expression parser. Right now we will be making a multi-term parser. Let me just show you what will be the end result. It will be like this, and we will do 12 25 plus 32, so this should be 57. 57 minus 57, 0. Copy that, 0 plus 32 minus 31, 1. Okay, so let's just tidy up a little bit. Delete this. Okay, so don't copy this comment. Let's start. I'm going to go through this very quickly because I have to go somewhere in about an hour. So let's just, oh, what am I doing? Okay, so public class test, public static void main, scanner, no, not scanner. We will use a JFrame. We're going to give me JFrame. Let's set it to Parser. JPanel, panel, which is in JPanel. And frame dot set default close operation. So this tells us this will be what happens when we turn it off. Okay. Frame dot set location. No. Frame dot set size to 700 by 600. Frame dot set frame dot add panel. Frame dot set visible. Boom. Now we will just add our label. I believe you can do the like, let's say I believe that you can do the GUI by yourself. Just look at the last video, 9.5 video. You can copy that. For this I will only make a text field, no label, no button. No label. Okay, I will just make a text field and a button. Okay, so this text field is equal to new text field, and this will be field dot set bounds. We will set it to in the middle of the screen, so like 300 and by 250, and 100 by 20, and panel dot add field. Then j button button is equal to new j button. This will be submit, and button dot set bounds. Let's say dot set bounds like 350, 250, 350, 250, and like about 120. So, and panel dot add button. And finally, what else do we have? Okay, now we need to do the j text field result is equal to new j text field. So result dot set bounds field like 300 comma 300 comma 100 comma 20, and panel dot add result. So let's run this. What? I forgot. We have to do this. Panel dot set layout null. Oh, what is this? So the wait out. Okay. So we saw that the submit button needs to be like width should be around 70, and it should be like around 400. Um, 100 and maybe let's say 500. Okay, that's fine. Come on, that's fine. You can turn it to 450 if you want it closer to the field, but you can, I'd say 500. Okay. Now let's add the action listener so that the it does something when we press the button. So button dot add action listener, new action listener, and public void action performed action event e, and just do like, oh, what is this? Import all of these. Okay, at the end of the video I will show you the whole code. Okay, so public void action performed action event e. So this whatever we write inside here is what will happen when we press the button. And what do we want? We want string expression is equal to field dot get text. So we get the whatever we typed, and int calculated is equal to calculate expression, and system dot out dot no wait. Okay, so what it will do is type this result dot set result dot set text uh, calculated, no, string dot value of calculated. Okay, boom. Now we just need to code in the calculate function, which is like literally entire the video, 6 minutes or not 7 minutes. So this will be a little long. Let's start. Private static cal void, no, not void, int calculate. It will take in a string expression. So last time we wanted two operands, only two terms, so we did string builder sv1 and sv2, but now we need a string builder array. String builder array operands is equal to new string builder array with the length of count operands in expression. Okay, now let's make the count operands thing. Private static count operands, it will take a string expression, and so now the thing is, okay, it will run a int operands is equal to 0, and it will run a for loop int I is equal to 0 until I is less than expression dot length I plus plus, and on every iteration, um okay, if, okay, so it will check if the current digit is a, if the current character is a digit and the character after the current one is an operator, then it will plus plus operand. So if character dot is digit, the one that is right now, so expression dot to char array at I, and now we will turn this multi-line and okay, so type ampersand ampersand, um double quotation marks plus minus slash asterisk dot index of expression dot to char array um I is not equal to -1. So I plus 1 actually. So if the right now the current character is a digit and the one right after is a operator, it is inside the string plus minus slash asterisk, then operands plus plus. Okay, and in the end we will just simply return operands. So let's test this out right now. Let's just return 2. Okay, so system dot out dot print ln the length of operands. Okay, so we are testing this out. You can do this, and if you get an like, if this is like invalid, you turn this to int. If you get something else than what I'm about to do, then yours is invalid. Type all of this again. Okay, so let's say 25 wait, turn this to 2. Actually, don't even turn this to 2. Modify this, okay? I've done something wrong. We will check if the current is that, and if character dot wait character dot is space char expression dot to char array I plus 1. So it will check if the next one is a space bar. Okay, so let's say 25 plus 32 plus. See, it printed 2, so that is correct. So it is working. Now let's create the operators array, not carry. What is a carry? Operators is equal to new char array with, oh my god, my throat is soaking up. It is getting dry. Count operators expression, and what we will do is private static int count operators string expression, and this is very easy. Okay, so we will just do int as equal to 0 I less than expression dot length, and it will literally just check that if character no if plus minus slash asterisk dot index of expression dot to char array at I is not equal to -1. So this just means that if wait so this is checks if it is an operator, then operator plus plus. Okay, operators plus plus, and then it will return that. Okay, now let's just let's just do that again. System dot out dot println operators dot length. Let's try to get in two operators. Okay, so let's say 32 plus 12 divided by 2. This should give us plus and divided by so 2, and that is true. That's correct. Okay, now init operands. Init operands. If you don't know, we just to work with the string builder, we have to initialize it. So init operands, and it will take a string builder array called operands. In here we will input operands, and we will do for loop on every iteration. What is this? Okay, so on every iteration, what it will do is operands at I is equal to new string builder. Boom, that's it. Now put operands into array. Okay, so this just means that we are taking the operands, so the different terms from the expression, and we are putting them into our whatever, I don't care. I mean, sorry, but I'm not going to explain this all because I know that you are not going to care. So we have operands array and expression. Private static void put operands into array having string builder array operands and a string expression. Okay, and what it will do? Okay, so int op index is equal to 0. 1 second. Okay, so I have this code right here, and just copy this. Okay, so what we will do, int index is equal to 0 for int I is equal to 0 I less than expression dot length I plus plus, and on every iteration it will check if it is an operator. Dot index of expression dot to char array at I is not equal to -1, then index plus plus, else if character dot is digit expression dot to char array I, then operands at index dot append expression dot to char array at I. So the thing is that I couldn't memorize this method when I made this thing by myself. Then I couldn't memorize it, so that's that. Now put operators into array, operators and expression, private static void put operators into array. It will accept this operators and string expression. What's the time? Okay. Oh my god, this is not good. I have to get this over quickly. I have to get this over. Okay, wait. Let me remember, guys. 16 minutes. Okay. Put operators into array. What we will do is int op index. Wait, no. Okay. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than expression dot length I plus plus, and we will have an int op index is equal to 0. And so the basically what it will do is that it will put the operators into the array. Once we have the expression, the operands array and the operators array, then we can start the calculation. So how will we put the operators into the array? First we will check if the current digit is an array. So if it's an operator, sorry, plus minus slash asterisk dot index of expression dot to char array at I is not equal to -1. So if it is an operator, then operators at op index is equal to, let's set it to what will we do, to expression dot to char array at I. Okay. So it will start off at 0. Guys, I think plus plus. Okay, I will do plus plus. Okay, wait. Now. So now what we will do after this is we will calculate. How will we calculate? Okay. Okay. So for int I is equal to 0 and until I is less than operators dot length I plus plus, and now on every iteration, okay, switch case. So switch the operate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Wait. Uh. Wait. Wait. Something is wrong. Wait. Okay. Get back to the this. Okay. Yeah. So before this, char operator. Okay. Not operator. Just char operator. And for loop, in the for loop set, operator is equal to operators at I. Okay. Simple. Now switch if operator is equal to, let's say case is plus, then okay, now we will also create two things, int first and int second. First is equal to, now type this, integer dot parseInt string dot string dot integer dot parseInt operands at I. No, one second, let me check. We are defining it inside the, like, okay, Okay guys, I'm so sorry. So before the switch case, int first is equal to, okay, remove the int. Okay, outside the for loop create first comma second. First is equal to integer dot parse int operands at I dot to string. Okay, so I believe that is how it is done. Yep. And the second is equal to integer dot parse int operands at I plus 1 dot to string. Boom. Now if it is plus, then result in the calculate function make a int result is equal to 0. Okay, and return result, please. Okay, so if it is plus, then result is equal to first plus second break, case minus result is equal to first minus second break, case times result is equal to first times second break, and in the case that it is divided by, we will put a cast. Okay, result is equal to cast in first divided by second and break. Okay, so that's that, and by default we will throw a new assertion error. Now, so after we have done that, we will just set okay, operands I plus 1 is equal to result. Boom. Wait, what? Int cannot be converted to string builder. Okay, how do you convert that to a string builder? Let's say string builder temp. We will create it outside this loop. String builder temp is equal to new string builder, and temp is equal to uh wait. How do we convert this to result of string dot value of okay. Okay, so guys, what I want you to do, operands I plus 1 this is a little bit string dot value of result. No, this will not work. Why? Because this is a string builder and this gives a string. Okay. Sorry, I'm so sorry, guys. Just set temp is equal to new string builder. Wait, this temp. Wait. Just in the here type string builder temp. Temp is equal to new string builder and its value is the string dot value of result. Boom. And now in here let's put temp. Operands I plus 1 is equal to temp, and I think we are done. Let's start this. Let's say, and let's just make sure that it is all correct. So we are result dot set text string dot value of okay. That's all good. Let's say 1 plus 1. Oh my god, you see that? It does 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. See? 1, 2, 3 divided by 3 to 1. It will do 0. And okay, 32 divided by 1. And this should cause an error. Okay, at the end of every expression, please be sure to add a space bar. Let's say 2 times 2. Okay, good. So this is also true. You have to separate them by space bar. So 2 plus 2 times 2, so that becomes 4 minus 4, and let's say plus 160 minus 60. So this should be 100. So this is your multi term parser. Okay, so I'm just going to set this public class test to multi uh, multi term parser. So that's that. And okay, so that's it for today. So it has been a 25-minute long video. So please guys, I want to actually tell you one thing about my YouTube studio. You know, so on all my videos, I have been getting views. You guys are giving me views. You are watching the video, but one thing is that I love talking to you guys. Okay, I want comments. Okay, so if you really want to, if you have a doubt, or if you just want to suggest something, if you want to ask something, suggest something, or tell me that no, you shouldn't do this, you should do this, please just comment. Okay, for example, if you want to say that in the next advanced project video please cover this, or in the next normal video please cover this, please do it. Okay, just comment it. And because I love replying to you, because I've just been seeing that I get so many views but no one talks to me. No comments, zero comments on every view, on every video. Okay, so I think this is all for today. Please tell me in the comment section that what should I do in the next video, and I will meet you guys in the next video.